What's up, guys? Oh, crap. Someone's coming. Okay. Heading off to Nana Pop-Pops for breakfast, and then we're going to go somewhere and get a table saw for my dad, or at least look at it. So that's the plan for today. I do have the money. It's a pretty nice morning out. It is 47 degrees. I think one of the worst parts about it getting colder is the 5 minutes that you have to be in the car freezing because the car's not warm yet, so the heat is cold. And I'm just waiting for that point so I can get all toasty warm and then have to roll the windows down because I'm suffocating from all the heat. Can't see my breath though. It's not that cold. Okay guys, we're here. Time for breakfast.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so we're gonna put that table saw, we're gonna put it all the way right here. There we go, space acquired. Now it's time to move it, the hard part. Just finished up Jersey Mike's, and actually Nana Pop-Pop went to an estate sale somewhere in the neighborhood. But I needed to go home, and I was just finishing up my cupcake that I had. You know, it's Nana's house. She has all sorts of desserts. But I was watching the Duke game against, I don't know, some poor team that was getting absolutely slapped. It wasn't halftime quite yet, but they had just, Wofford? They had just gotten in the double digits, and Duke was already at like 40 points. So that was terrible, that poor team. But Duke is disgusting. Cooper Flag, oh my gosh, I can't wait to watch that guy play some basketball. I can't wait for his highlights. I mean, they're gonna be disgusting. I know it. But I'm gonna go ahead and head on home, take a shower, and just chill. Maybe get up some calls. And definitely relax, because that table saw was so heavy. Oh my gosh. I don't think there's anything else that I have to do today. So, yeah. All right. I'll see y'all on the way home. Okay, guys, I'm about to get dressed, and we're gonna go to Char Grill with the family.
A little bit frazzled on the Saturday night.
So if I had to take one guess, the moon is above that, but I bet you that's Jupiter. Hey, what do you know? I'm right. Gotta move the car up. Oh gosh, you can tell Mom's been in here. It's a little tight, but I gotta move the car up. 'Cause there's some water in the back, but Mom parked the car too close, so just gotta scoot it up just a little bit. I feel so small. There we go. Should be enough. Boom. All right. Let's go get that water. No, maybe she didn't get water. I guess not. It's not there. Okay. Night, guys. See you tomorrow.